My friends, welcome to another episode where we focus on health, happiness, and longevity. Today, I want to share something very special with you. It's about 5 simple morning habits. Small things you can do every single day that may actually help you live longer, healthier, and more joyful years. These are not complicated routines, and they don't require expensive equipment or difficult exercises. They are small actions, but when done consistently, they can add up to an incredible difference. Imagine adding 10 or more healthy years to your life just by changing what you do in the first hour of your morning. That's powerful, isn't it? Now, I know many of you listening are seniors, or you may be approaching that stage of life where health and energy are top priorities. Some of you may have aches and pains, or maybe you feel that you're slowing down. But the truth is, every single day is an opportunity to take care of yourself and invest in your future. It's never too late to start. Even the smallest habit can create a ripple effect that strengthens your body, clears your mind, and brightens your spirit. So today, let me guide you through these 5 morning habits that researchers, doctors, and people living long, healthy lives all around the world have recommended. I'll also share why they matter so much and how you can start doing them easily right from tomorrow morning. And before we dive into the first one, I'd like to gently remind you, if you enjoy this podcast, please take a moment to like it, share it with your friends or family, and subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss any future episodes that are designed to support your health and happiness. It also helps us reach more people who need this kind of message. The first habit is to drink water and get some natural light as soon as you wake up. This may sound almost too simple, but it's incredibly effective. After sleeping for 6, 7, or even 8 hours, your body is slightly dehydrated. Think of it like a plant that hasn't been watered overnight. When you drink a glass of water first thing in the morning, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to start the day. Your brain works better, your digestion starts moving, and your entire system wakes up. If you can add a squeeze of lemon for a fresh flavor and an extra boost of vitamin C. At the same time, try to open your curtains or step outside for a few minutes. Let the morning light touch your skin and your eyes. Natural light tells your brain, it's daytime, time to wake up. It helps regulate your body clock so you'll sleep better at night. For seniors, sleep problems are very common, and this simple action, exposing yourself to morning sunlight, can make a world of difference. Imagine starting every morning not groggy but awake and refreshed. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Now let's move on to the second habit, gentle movement. I know that many older adults may not feel comfortable doing intense workouts, and that's completely okay. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights to see benefits. A short walk around your home, a few stretches in your living room, or even a 5-minute gentle yoga routine can do wonders. When you move your body in the morning, you increase blood circulation, loosen up stiff joints, and give yourself a sense of energy for the day ahead. Research shows that just a few minutes of physical activity every morning can lower the risk of heart disease, improve balance, and keep your muscles strong. Even if you're in your 70s or 80s, it's not too late to start. One of the secrets to longevity is simply to keep moving. And here's something inspiring. In the places around the world where people live the longest, such as Okinawa in Japan or Sardinia in Italy, movement is part of everyday life. They don't necessarily go to the gym, but they walk, they stretch, they use their bodies naturally. You can bring that same spirit into your morning routine. The third habit is to eat a nutritious breakfast. I know that some people skip breakfast, but especially for older adults, starting the day with nourishing food is important. A healthy breakfast gives you the energy to stay active, it keeps your blood sugar stable, and it fuels your brain so you can think clearly. Instead of reaching for processed foods or sugary pastries, choose whole foods that are rich in nutrients. A bowl of oatmeal with some fruit and nuts, an egg with vegetables, or even a smoothie with spinach and banana can make a big difference. What's more, sharing breakfast with a loved one, a spouse, or even calling a friend while you eat can add an extra layer of benefit. Human connection is just as important for longevity as food or exercise. Studies have shown that strong social connections help people live longer and happier lives. So, if you can, make breakfast not just a meal for your body, but also nourishment for your heart. Invite someone to join you, or if you live alone, maybe call your grandchild or a friend just to say good morning. The fourth habit is one of my personal favorites, practicing mindfulness or gratitude. This doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to sit in silence for an hour or know any special techniques. Simply spend 2 or 3 minutes breathing deeply, paying attention to how your body feels, and thinking of 1 or 2 things you're grateful for. Maybe it's your family, your health, the roof over your head, or even just the beautiful sunrise outside your window. When you start your day with gratitude, it sets a positive tone for everything that follows. Mindfulness also helps reduce stress. And we all know how damaging stress can be to the body, raising blood pressure, weakening the immune system, and stealing our peace of mind. But when you practice mindfulness even briefly, you are telling your body to relax. You're reminding yourself that you are safe, that this moment is enough, and that you are grateful to be alive. These few minutes can lower your stress hormones, improve your mood, and actually protect your heart and brain over time. Finally, the fifth habit, setting your intention for the day. This means taking just a moment to decide what you want to focus on. It doesn't have to be something big or complicated. Maybe your intention is to call an old friend. Maybe it's to take a walk after lunch. Or maybe it's simply to be kind to yourself and others. When you set an intention, you give your day meaning and direction. It's like steering a ship instead of drifting wherever the waves take you. One important tip: try not to grab your phone first thing in the morning. I know it's tempting to check the news or scroll through social media, but that often fills your mind with stress or negativity before you've even had a chance to enjoy your day. Instead, give yourself those first quiet minutes for water, movement, breakfast, mindfulness, and intention. Your phone can wait, but your health cannot. So, let's review quickly. Drink water and get sunlight, move your body gently, eat a healthy breakfast, practice mindfulness or gratitude, and set your intention for the day. These 5 simple habits, when practiced every morning, can change the way you age. They can lower your risk of disease, improve your mood, strengthen your body, and even add years to your life. Most importantly, they help you live those years with energy and joy. Now, I want to encourage you. Don't feel like you need to do everything perfectly from tomorrow. Start with one habit. Maybe you begin by simply drinking water in the morning. After a week, add some gentle stretches. Slowly build your routine and you'll notice the difference. Remember, small steps done consistently lead to big results. And once again, if you found this message helpful, I kindly ask you to like this podcast, share it with a friend who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you and for many others who want to live longer, healthier lives. Together, we can build a community of people who encourage and uplift each other. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, remember these 5 little actions. They may seem small, but they hold the power to add years of life and life to your years. Take that glass of water, step into the sunlight, stretch your arms, enjoy a wholesome breakfast, breathe deeply with gratitude, and set your intention. That's how you start not just a good morning but a good life. Thank you so much for listening, my friends. Take care of your body, nurture your spirit, and cherish every day you are given. I look forward to joining you again in our next episode. Until then, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep shining.